Zuckerberg's worst nightmare just arrived: Xiaomi's AI smart glasses that would crush the Ray-Ban Metas at their own game. While everyone's been obsessing over Ray-Ban Metas and throwing money at overpriced alternatives, Xiaomi unveiled glasses that completely flipped my expectations, in the best way possible. We're talking about glasses that cost less than half of what Meta charges, yet somehow manage to be lighter, smarter, and more practical for actual daily use. Xiaomi openly declared war on the entire smart glasses industry by solving every major complaint people have had about existing options. The weight issue that makes Ray-Ban Metas feel like wearing a brick after a few hours? Solved. The battery life that dies right when you need it most? Fixed. The clunky AI that feels more like a party trick than actual intelligence? Completely reimagined. Now I'm not just here to hype one brand. I'm going to break down exactly what the Xiaomi AI smart glasses offer, the pros and cons, and then show you how they compare directly to the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. By the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your lifestyle better. Let's start with the lenses. Xiaomi opted for electrochromic lenses, which darken in just 2 seconds and clear up just as quickly. They can be adjusted from transparent to shaded through touch controls, offering a subtle yet transformative experience. These glasses also support prescription lenses, but the electrochromic models come at a premium. On the other hand, Ray-Ban Meta glasses keep it classic with standard sunglass or transition lenses. These adjust automatically based on weather conditions, maintaining the timeless Ray-Ban look while supporting prescriptions. Now, when it comes to the camera system, both brands went with 12-megapixel ultra-wide cameras, but Xiaomi gives you more flexibility. Their glasses shoot in 2K resolution with a 4:3 aspect ratio, which means you can crop one recording into both widescreen landscape for YouTube and vertical for TikTok or Instagram without having to reshoot. You can record continuously for up to 45 minutes. For live streaming, there's no strict limit, but expect around 30 minutes on a charge depending on your network and lighting. The image stabilization works surprisingly well as well. One user who tested these for 3 weeks straight mentioned that while walking, the stabilization handles movement beautifully. The only limitation is when you turn your head side to side quickly, but honestly, that's physics, not a flaw. Even DJI's action cameras struggle with rapid head movements. But what really sets these apart is how effortless the recording process feels. A quick press takes a photo, a long press starts video recording. No fumbling with your phone. No missing moments because you're trying to get your camera app open. When you're driving, cooking, or your hands are occupied, these glasses become your personal cameraman. AI features are another big difference. Xiaomi's glasses connect to their Xiao AI assistant and can also hook into ChatGPT and other AI services through your phone. By using your phone's processing power instead of building everything into the glasses, they get better performance and battery life. The features here are built for utility. You get real-time translation in over 10 languages, object recognition, visual descriptions for accessibility, food scanning for calorie info, QR code payments just by looking, and even meeting summaries through a voice command. Ray-Ban Meta glasses use Meta AI, which is more about convenience and social use. You can send messages, make calls, control music, and post to social media by voice. Translation is supported, but only in a few languages like Spanish, French, and Italian into English. They don't have payments, meeting transcription, or smart home control. Now let's talk comfort, because this is where Xiaomi absolutely destroys the competition. At just 40 grams for the standard version, these are significantly lighter than most alternatives. Even with prescription lenses added, bringing the weight to about 54 grams, they're still more comfortable for all-day wear than Ray-Ban Metas. The design deserves special mention. Xiaomi optimized the frame shape specifically for Asian faces, but the classic square design works well for most face shapes. The semi-transparent frame options let you see the internal components, giving them a distinctly high-tech appearance that doesn't scream, "I'm wearing a computer on my face." Here's something most reviews won't tell you: the nose bridge doesn't pinch. If you've ever worn heavy glasses for extended periods, you know that pressure point pain. Xiaomi engineered this away, making these genuinely comfortable for all-day use. The audio system is where Xiaomi shows they understand real-world usage. The open-ear speakers use what appears to be bone conduction technology, delivering clear sound without blocking ambient noise. You can listen to music, take calls, or interact with AI while still hearing traffic, conversations, and your environment. The sound quality impressed even skeptical users. Some even preferred them over Apple AirPods Pro for daily use because they don't create that isolated feeling that can be dangerous in urban environments. But Ray-Ban focused on boosting audio quality over their older models, with better bass and clarity for calls and music, while still letting you hear the world around you. Now, battery life is an area where Xiaomi is way ahead. You get up to 8.5 hours of regular use and about 45 minutes of continuous 2K video recording. That's more than enough for most daily use. The real clever trick here is that Xiaomi designed an angled charging cable so you can charge while wearing the glasses. Slip a small power bank in your pocket, run the cable under your shirt, and you can keep them going all day. Ray-Ban Meta glasses give you about 4 hours of battery on their own, but they come with a charging case for easy top-ups throughout the day, similar to how you use wireless earbuds. But, of course, both have limitations. For Xiaomi, the AI features work best in Chinese right now, with English support still improving. Translation has noticeable lag, there's no built-in display or AR overlay, and availability outside China can be limited. These are first-generation glasses, so the software will improve over time, but you're buying into a platform that's still evolving. For Ray-Ban Meta, the main drawbacks are shorter battery life without the case, limited video length, and AI that's focused more on social features than advanced utility. Pricing is competitive on both sides. Xiaomi starts at around $280 in China, with electrochromic models going up to about $420. Ray-Ban Meta glasses range from $299 to $379, depending on the model and lenses. Xiaomi undercuts most other feature-heavy competitors, while Ray-Ban sells more on their brand and design appeal. So, which should you get? Ask yourself what matters most to you. If you're a content creator or someone who needs long battery life, flexible video recording options, and practical AI tools, Xiaomi's glasses make a lot of sense. They're a productivity and creativity companion you can wear all day. If your priority is style, easy social media integration, and casual convenience, the Ray-Ban Meta glasses are probably the better choice. They're perfect for capturing quick moments, staying connected, and looking good while doing it. However, you will have to give up some battery life and utility tools, but you'll get a design that feels timeless and familiar. But to be honest with you, Xiaomi's approach to smart glasses is practical and focused on execution. They're not trying to be everything, but they've nailed the fundamentals. Ray-Ban Meta glasses are about enhancing what you already do, calling, messaging, sharing moments, without making you look like you're wearing a gadget. In the end, it's less about which is better and more about which fits the way you live. Tech-forward Xiaomi or polished Ray-Ban, that's up to you. So, which one do you think is the best value for money? Comment your thought below, and don't forget to like and subscribe our new channel so you never miss the latest AI and tech breakthroughs before they hit the headlines.